The Adventure King 65 litre dual zone fridge freezer combines huge interior space and great features into a reliable, efficient and tough package. It uses only the best components. Inside is a legendary Secop compressor, which means this fridge chills fast. Combined with the thick insulation and seals, it's super efficient and can chill right down to -18 degrees. Plus, you can set both sides as a fridge, both sides as a freezer, or one of each. This compact fridge can fit and cool a massive 96 cans. That's 4 slabs. Or you can use the included baskets to neatly stack your food and drinks. The case is made of tough steel and features these plastic feet to help protect your fridge and reduce noise and vibrations. Plus, it runs on 12, 24 or 240 volt. With automatic internal lights, easy to use control panel and tough metal latches, this fridge has it all. This Adventure King 65 litre dual zone fridge freezer is one of the best value on the market. It's so multi-purpose you can use it anywhere, and it uses high quality and tough components so you know it'll last.